Welcome to the audio series for the Triquetre Piano Programme, Level 1 Musicianship Skills. You can download this worksheet from www.musicacademyhub.com, or you will have received the worksheet from your Triquetre approved tutor. This audio file is for worksheet TQP L1 M79G. The ice cream intervals. Learning about sound. Listen to the intervals and use your crayons or felt tip pens to draw the number of scoops of ice cream for the interval that you hear. Question 1. Draw scoops of chocolate ice cream. Question 2. Draw scoops of strawberry ice cream. Question 3. Draw scoops of blueberry ice cream. You have reached the end of the audio file to go with worksheet TQP L1 M79G. Please complete the worksheet and send to your tutor. If you would like your answers to be verified by a Triquetre approved tutor, please send to info@staleybridgemusicacademy.com, marking the subject line with the worksheet number TQP L1 M79G. This is the end of the audio file.